Guys, if you want to see more about this hair and about this makeup look I did, make sure you keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to show your support, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you find anything informational or enjoyable about my content. Let's get right into the video. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Moena. If you're new here, then thank you for clicking on this video. If you're returning, then you already know what it is. We're about to get right into the video. Today we have a wig from a brand called MarchQueen. So I've already pretty much looked at the hair. This is a this is an 18-inch headband, curly headband wig in the density 150. And you guys, when I tell you this hair is soft, I've already looked at it. So this is the hair out of the pack, and we have a headband. They also gave us this bandana headband to come with it, and then it also comes with a pair of earrings, which are very cute. Today is kind of a special day. If you don't know, today is January 17th. It started snowing yesterday, guys, and when I tell you, like, the ground is full of snow. And if you ever lived in Georgia, then you know that Georgia does not get snow like that anymore. Yeah, I'm very excited to go outside and take some pictures today, so we're gonna get ready for that. Basically like a content day, I guess. So right now I'm putting on my favorite primer from Fenty. So I'm just putting it all over my face, spreading it out. And it's funny because my hair is actually in twist right now. So like you guys can't see it right now, but once I take this scarf off, my hair is in twist. I'll kind of walk y'all through it a little bit. So I recently got new beauty blenders. So we're gonna be taking my Fenty foundation in the color 240, and I really do love this foundation just because like it goes on really smooth and like it blends with my skin so well. So I'll put a pump of that on the back of my hand like so, and then I also go in with my NARS primer and put a drop of that in as well. And it's about to go out, and then I mix it all up like this. And then I go ahead and start putting dots all over my face. I like to go over my eyes with it. So we're going to take my concealer in the color 230. This is the Pro Filter Instant Retouch Concealer, and I really am in love with this stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and put that under my eye. I like to do it like this just so it's not like a lot of concealer, just because you don't need that much of this stuff. Like, it's so like creamy and it spreads out so much that you don't need that much. So I put it there, and I like to put it here. I like to put it on my chin, and then I like to put it a few swipes right here. Going with my contour in the color Suede, and I'm going to go right above my ear here and go down just like so. I like to put it right above where my cheekbone actually is, or right on my cheekbone, because once I blend it out, it's going to move down anyway. So I just do a couple swipes of that, and I make sure it lines up on both sides. Alright, and then I also go underneath my jaw to make it stand out more. And then I put a little bit here just to give it some color. So taking my beauty blender, I'm going to go in and blend out my chin just like that. I'm going to be wearing my Lush lashes from Glamnetic today, and I really love these just because they look beautiful on your eyes. Like, they look so good. Alright you guys, so while I prep my lashes, I'm gonna go ahead and take off my scarf. And like I told y'all, I have twist in. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna section these off, and I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of braid my actual hair into 2 pigtails. Alright, so now that we have our hair like this, I'm gonna go ahead and put on a stocking cap just to make sure that everything is smooth. And voila. We're gonna pull out some edges so we have edges with the headband wig. Alright, lashes are on. I'm gonna go ahead and go in and dust off. Ooh, that hurt. I'm gonna dust off all the powder. And I forgot once again to set my smile lines. Oh, these things. I'm gonna go under my eye with the other brush, just to kind of dust away that powder. Now we're gonna go in and we're gonna apply some blush. Blush is a must-have. Might have overdid it a little bit with the blush. Just a little bit. A little bit. I'm gonna go in and blend out this little side just so the lines don't look harsh. Same with the under part to contour. And I'm also going to go over my nose a bit with the powder. I'm going to take my All Nighter by Urban Decay. I'm going to spray my face. Bam. And then we're gonna go in and add a little highlighter to kind of end it off. I'm going in with my favorite palette here. So I'm going to spray my brush a little bit with the All Nighter setting spray. And then I'm gonna dip into the highlighter. I noticed that this makes my highlighter pop more. I'm gonna go down the bridge of my nose. Then I'm gonna go right over my cheek and just move the brush lightly so you get that kind of natural glow there. And I'm gonna pat it with my finger. Looks so good. I swear my makeup looks so much better when I rush, and I don't know why. So my makeup is pretty much done besides the lip. Oh jeez. So I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and put my wig on now, and of course we're gonna probably add wire because it is a curly wig. So this is the wig up close and personal. It doesn't have a net on it right now, so this is the hair. We're just gonna shake it out a little bit, and then we have the inside. They have the headband attachment for you. And then they have combs on the sides and on the bottom here. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on the wig, and I'm probably going to attach the combs in the front, in the front. If y'all don't know, I've always wanted a headband wig. Oh, let me make sure that's not gonna be pulling my hair though. I've always wanted a headband wig, just because it would make my life so much easier. When I first started doing wigs, I was like, I really hope I get a brand that does headband wigs. And honestly, I'm not gonna lie, I feel like I want to pull this back a little farther, just because the headband is farther forward than I want it to be. So, cool. I'm gonna just push this back a little bit more. And we're going to put it there. Once again, this headband is by MarchQueen. They are a Amazon brand, I believe. So the wig is on. We're gonna go ahead and clip it at the, well, snap it at the back with the Velcro. And the wig is on. So now what I'm gonna do is, of course, take a spray bottle to this. I'm gonna do my edges right. Using my got to be gel. Just gonna put a little bit right there and a little bit here and shape it out. This brown headband over top of the black one, because I'm not doing black for the outfit I'm doing brown. So I'm just gonna pull this over that. Just like so, and then we have our brown headband. And scrunch it back a little bit. And we have our hair. Now, okay, this light is making me look very light. That's a little better. So now I'm just gonna go in and do my lip right quick, just because I have someone waiting for me so I can do these photos. So I don't wanna be too late. Alright, so now, just to finish it up, I want to go in the middle of my lip with this neutral color lip gloss just to make it stand out a little bit here. And then we're going to add a little gloss over top of it to finish it off. Okay, you guys, so this is the final look. This is so pretty, and I forgot to lay down my edges on the side. We can't have that, so it's gonna take a little of this. But yeah, this is the final look. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed this little tutorial. If you guys like this hair, all details for the hair will be down in the description box, so you guys can go pick it up and add it to your hair collection to make your life easier, because I know that it will. I know if it's making my life easier by just being able to put this on top of my protective style without having to take my hair out and do things like that, then I know that this wig is for everybody, like literally. But yeah, this final look. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you want a more in-depth makeup tutorial, make sure you comment down below. Even though I feel like this was very simple, my makeup routine will always be very simple. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel, and give me this video a thumbs up so that I know you love this video and I will keep on giving you content just like it. See you in the next one.